Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm super excited. How many times have you heard me say that? I'm super excited because I have a handbag unboxing. Yes, a handbag unboxing. I've already snuck a little peek. Now, this is going to be one of my spring handbags. I think you can probably guess what it is. You may not know exactly which one, but I had to go there, you guys, and I'll explain. All right, really fast, before I do open this box, because I'm not going to dilly-dally. You guys know we don't do that on this channel. But, you know, I've been holding out for the cherries, and I don't even know if I'll get my hands on it. I have an excellent sales associate, Becca, but I just don't know how this drop is going to, if it's going to be like the last one, which I wasn't interested in it, so it didn't really bother me. I'm not sure if I'm going to end up with a cherries bag or SLGs or whatever. I'm not a huge SLG person, you guys know that. So I just decided that I couldn't get this off of my mind, and I thought, why not just go ahead and get it. You guys, I only have two other, cherry bags in my collection. So let's go ahead and open this one up, because this one, you guys, I think she's really pretty. I love the style of it. So let's go ahead and get into it. So this isn't really a true unboxing because I've had this bag now for 2 or 3 weeks. What is up with me, you guys? That usually never happens. But I've had it up here for a while, and it is from Coach, not the outlet, just from Coach, okay? So this is Coach Retail that we have. Pull it out of the box. She's in her little silky drawstring bag. And you guys, I am looking forward to spring. You know, all this talk about Murakami and cherries, those are summertime and springtime bags, in my opinion. Maybe not the black. I mean, you can carry what you want whenever you want to, but it does take me to spring and summertime. Okay. Look at me acting excited. Look at me. Look at me acting like I haven't seen it before when I totally have. Okay. We're gonna pull it out, and she's wrapped up, so I'll have to take some of this wrapping off of it. It is this the Swinger? Is that the name of this bag? You guys, I totally don't even know. Let me look it up. Not the Swinger, that's that little small one. This is the Swing Zip. I love it. Look how beautiful. You guys, I had to have it, okay? Because I would have had the worst case of FOMO. Even though Coach and Louis Vuitton are not the same company, I just wanted another cherries bag. And I only have 2 other ones that I got last year, okay? So when I saw this, I knew that I had to have it. Jessie of YotaStyle, hi Jess, she has this very same bag. I know that Dawn has one in just a solid color, and I just love the shoulder style, the double shoulder style and adjustable strap. Look how beautiful. So I'm gonna look it over, and it looks really good. I love the red, the red. And sometimes I take these tags off. This says the Swing Zip, limited re-edition 1998. So, you guys, I'm so happy that I got it. I really am, because I thought, really, how many bags like this in this print does somebody need? But I have a very small one, you know, my little tiny, so I have a small one, and I also have a tote. So I had to get it, you guys. Now, I know that Coach Outlet also has the blues. Like, Dawn got a beautiful tote, and hers are blue, but there's something about this chalk. I've always told you guys I love Coach chalk. It's always been my favorite. And what I love about this bag, look underneath. There are feet. It's got feet. And it's just, looks to be a very good everyday bag. It's screams spring and summer to me. It's not the Swinger, that's that little small bag. It is the Zip Swing. The Zip Swing bag. Swing Zip. Okay, whatever. It's beautiful. You guys, I love it. It's a really great everyday size. And I like the fact that it's pretty simple in its composition. You can adjust the shoulder straps, but I think the way it is right in the middle is perfect for me. Oh wow, I love it. I absolutely love this bag. Oh my gosh, I will have to share with you guys what fits inside this bag at another time, but not today because I have something else to share with you. But I love it, you guys. The whole interior is leather. When you open it up, you see that beautiful kind of caramel leather. Here's a card holder here. And then the whole entire back of it, it has a zippered pocket. So if you want to put a card case in there, anything in there for more extra security. Now there is some canvas or material in here, but the rest of the inside, every bit of the inside is a leather bag. So I love that. And it's a very good, like it's light. It's a lightweight bag. So pretty. Now it doesn't have any cherry charms hanging off of it, but I can fix that, right? Because I've got some cherry charms. I don't know that I'll use it or not. I might at some point, but I love it. I'm so glad that I caved and bought it because I really tried not to. You can find this at Nordstrom. I've seen it at some of the department stores as well, not just the Coach retail website. So you can find this bag. It still is available. Now I heard that Coach is going to bring back the regular size Rowan and the mini Rowan in denim, you guys. And I'm going there. I'm just going to grab that little mini one as soon as it comes back out. I really hope that it does. And I love this. I think this is just the cutest little thing. I went and got my cherry charm. Let's put it on and see what it looks like. You know, sometimes I do think less is more. You know, I do love charms. I said the other day I wasn't a huge charm person, and I'm not, but I do love them. Lately I've been wanting a new Louis Vuitton charm. Sometimes I just get something in my head and I have to have it. But I think sometimes less is more, but we'll just dress it up and see how fun. Okay, so now this bag, the way it is, you really can't hang it off the side because there's no D-rings or anything on the side, and that's the actual zipper. So that would be awkward. So I guess if I were going to use this, let me see if it would look right. I really think I wouldn't use it. There's really nowhere to put it. Honestly, I don't want to take this and put in there because I don't want to mess it up. Actually, there is nowhere to put it. I think maybe if I had a smaller charm, that might work. What about this? Okay, I'm letting things get the best of me. But yeah, there's really nowhere to hook a charm on this bag. Honestly, I just don't think it needs it, but it would be kind of cute if it had a D-ring and it could hang off the side there, but there's really nothing to hang it to. And I think that this one is just really cute, just the way it is. So yeah, a lot of times I will take these tags off, but I kind of like it because it's red, and then it also says the swing zip, and it tells that it is a reissue, a limited reissue. So if you've been on the fence about getting this bag, just grab it because it's not going to break the bank. It's a perfect little summer bag. I'm going to put it on my shoulder and show you what it looks like on me. Okay. I think this is a perfect Yota bag. Oh my gosh, perfect. Look at that. Perfect. The perfect shoulder bag. It's got plenty of drop here. And if you're interested in the dimensions, you can just look on the website. It'll give you the dimensions. But I think this is a really nice bag. It's not small. It's the perfect, I think it's like the perfect everyday bag. It's just a shoulder bag. It's not a crossbody. So I think that I am so happy that I added this to my collection because my small little Rogue is a crossbody. And then I have a tote, the Willow tote, and now this one. Remember this charm? I had offered it for sale, but nobody bought it. And I thought, maybe I'll just keep it. Dawn was the one that said, you need to keep that because the mini Rowan probably will come back. It would be really pretty on the mini Rowan. I thought I could put this one on this bag here, But these little buckles are too small, you guys. You really can't put a charm on this bag unless you put it on the strap and just let it dangle off like that. And I don't think I will. So I was just gonna let you guys know, if you love charms and you really like to dress up your bag, I think a scarf might be the only way to go with this bag, because it does have very little hardware. But it's a beautiful bag and I'm very, very happy with it. I can't wait to wear my little cherry stuff this spring. If it ever becomes spring, you guys. It's been so cold down here. But yeah, I love it. I love it. Ah! All right, guys, let's go ahead and see what's in my Tic Toc package. I really enjoy shopping on the Tic Toc shop. I got a pair of jeans this week, some Risen jeans, and I did buy some pajamas and some other things. I mean, just about anything that you want. You can find some good prices on there. I got like a back massager. Oh, these are some of the pajamas I got. I ordered some really cute pajamas on there. And I know there's some YouTube creators that do TikTok. I've thought about starting a TikTok, you guys, but it's all I can do to run this channel. So I don't know, maybe. But I do enjoy watching TikTok, and I enjoy shopping and buying some of the cute things. So I actually got 3 pair of pajamas. Oh, and I also bought some cards, some birthday cards and different cards. I'm not going to show them to you because one of you guys might end up with it. I got these heel protectors, or they're I don't know if they're called heel protectors, but let me take them out of this bag and show you. Do you ever wear like pumps, and sometimes your feet swell and they're just right, and then your feet shrink, and then your feet want to step right out of the pumps? So that happens to me a lot, you guys. So I went ahead and got these, and it's got sticky stuff, see? And so I'll put them in my shoe like that, and it'll take up some space. So I got those because I do kind of have a problem sometimes with my heels slipping, especially when I wear pumps. So I got those. It's like, I don't know, $1 something. You can find, like I said, anything. Okay, the first pair of pajamas I got, oh, how cute. They're lemons, little lemons. And I like my pajamas kind of big. Every time I get a large, everybody gets all over me. But let's see, what did I get? Because a large isn't always the same. All right, I got extra large. But you know what? I think an extra large was a 12, and I'm really an 8-10, but I like my pajamas kind of big. And that looks like that does not look all that big, you guys. So it's the little top. Look how cute. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. And even the shorts. See? Nice and loose to wear around the house. Little springtime. I'm in a springtime mood, if you guys can tell. So I love those. I think extra large was a 12, and I thought I just like my pajamas nice and loose and comfy. Cherries! Cherry pajamas. Let's open these up. Look how cute these are. Oh my gosh, so these are blue with a little cherry background. Oh, how cute! And they're so soft, you guys. I read the reviews, and the thing about on TikTok, look at how many have been sold, how many units have been sold, and then look at the reviews. I mean, if there's like 4,000 that has been sold and it's like 4.5, then you know you're getting something good. So be sure and look at the reviews and how many items were sold. So I got these. See? I mean, honestly, when I look at them, they look like about a size medium to me. I know they're elastic waist, but they'll be fine. And then I got the hot pink. It was so hard to, decide, but I thought I'm gonna get 3 pair of pajamas, and I think these are long pants. These are long pants. Oh my gosh, how cute. They are little zebras, hot pink with black and white zebras. Adorable. Okay, so, I love them. Look at how pretty. Okay, so I'll have to wash those and wear those very soon. So, what else did I get from TikTok shop? Oh, I said I got a pair of jeans. Oh, and I got a back massager, and it's awesome, you guys. I didn't bring that up here to show you, but I will at some point. Alright guys, before I let you go, I want to share with you my bag of the day. I'm right back into my Speedy Soft. You guys, I think this is my favorite bag of all time. So, I know I've said that before, but you guys, these soft bags, and I think Louis, they're going to be tempting us with some soft bags. I already saw the Duffine. You guys, the leather Duffine is, I think, $4,400. That is a lot. So I thought maybe I'll pay half and Keith would pay half. I'm already plotting, okay? I'm already plotting. But no, I love this bag, you guys. If you get the opportunity to get one of the soft bags from Louis Vuitton, I don't think you'll regret it. I absolutely love this, and this is just so cute. So cute. I think after this, I'm going to take a break from Coach because I do prefer luxury, but I love Coach as well. But I love little things like this to wear out and about on a Saturday afternoon, and you know, a little spring, with a little spring outfit or a summer outfit, or carry to the beach. I just think it's so cute. I am going to take a little break from Coach. I know they're just going to keep on coming out with all this good stuff, you guys. But when the mini rowing does come back out, I will grab that. So if you guys see it before I do, let me know. Alright guys, so I'm happy with my purchases. Tell me what you think about this. This one is from the retail, and I just love it, you guys. And yeah, so that's all I've got for you today, and I'll see you again in a couple of days. Peace.